guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I am already blow dried and ready to get this thing started. Okay, so for today, I am going to be reviewing a flat iron that was sent to me by Duvolle. I have used this company before, but I think the last time I used their brand is when I think it was a curling one. I will put the video up in the card so you can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, the company is called Duvolle, and it is a curling iron. It's very pretty. You see right here, it's pink, and I think they have a few more, maybe two more other colors. But as you can see, the brand name is right here. It's very soft. It almost feels like velvet.
What is that, velvet?
It's very, very nice. And inside, you can see it has like well, I don't know if you can see, but it has an on-off switch. And then you can see that it has the temperature little dial here for you to change your temp. And I am just going to be reading a few points so you guys can know exactly what to look for when you purchase this iron. Okay, so it has a floating Tourmaline ceramic plates, glide over your hair to prevent tugging and enable quick styling. So that's great. We don't, you know, especially on hair like mine, you don't want it to tug on our hair strands. The Tourmaline coating locks in hair's moisture and seals the cuticle level to fend off heat damage. That's another great point because we don't need heat damage in our lives. Okay, so the professional level temperature levels ensure even and precise styling. Great fact. Adjustable temperature settings up to 450 degrees for customizable styling for your hair type. That's another great point. Tangle-free cord, which is great. You can see it twists as you move about. And that's it. And you guys, like I said, they sent me this iron to test it out, and they gave me a coupon code for 70% off your purchase. Okay, so the coupon code is AbbeyRed70. So make sure you look in the description box, look at all the information that I'm going to post, and click on the link so that you can purchase this iron with my coupon code to get 70% off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair in half, part it down the middle, and I'm going to straighten one half of my hair on camera, and then I'm going to straighten the other half of my hair off camera because I don't know how long it's going to take. So I'm going to do that. So let's just go ahead and get started with the straightening. I'm going to turn it on. I'm interested to see how fast this thing heats up. Okay, I just turned it on. Let's see. It's still cold. It's heating up. It's heating up right in the middle. I'm running my fingers across the plates here. Okay, now I am going, my hair can take, let's see, I'm gonna put it in the middle of the dial. So it's right below 450. So I'm guessing this may be, maybe 370 or so. I mean, it doesn't have it on there. You can already see the smoke though. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's smoking a little bit. Let me turn it down just a little bit because I do not want to burn my hair. It's still smoking. So when I put this on my hair, if it starts smoking, it is not my hair. This thing is smoking before I even touch my head. But it looks like when I turned it down, the smoke kind of went away. Maybe it's because it's brand new. I don't know. Okay. Let's get started. All right, so like I said, I'm going to part my hair down. Well, let's see. I have this side cut here, so I think what I'm going to do is maybe go from the back. So I'll start in the back and do that on camera, and then I'll do the rest off camera. So it's a big chunk of hair that I'll be showing you guys. So this is the only thing that I'll be doing off camera, this little chunk right here. So I'm just going to put that up in a duck clip out of my way. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and get started on this small little section right here. When I blow dry my hair, I used a Tresemme blow drying heat protectant spray, and I also used this Frizz Ease extra strength serum. Boop, right there. I am not messing around with heat damage. So before I flat iron it, I'm going to use a little bit more, just one squeeze per section, like that. Make sure I get those ends, and I will be clipping my ends after I flat iron. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna have to split this section too, so I just got another clip. Start with a small little section, clip that up. Rat tail comb, detangle a bit. Let's see with one pass what it does. That was a back stretch. Hey, but look, with one pass, that's, wow. That is super straight with one pass. Wow. Wow, I am very impressed. And I think, like I said, I think I have it on maybe 350. I'm gonna go over the root one more time, but wow. Okay. That's pretty good. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna do a couple of more real-time passes, and then I may speed this thing up, so you won't have to sit here all this time. All right. Detangle, we already put the heat protectant on it. Let's see what we got. Okay. It is so hard doing this in the mirror. Wait, okay. All right. Let's see. Wow. I am so impressed with this. Wow, okay. Moving on. Where does that hair go? I think this hair goes over here. Okay, let's see. Put that up. Detangle. I am going to go from the side this time because doing it the other way has my back hurting. So I'm just gonna do the roots a couple of times. It's not burning me at all. Okay, let's see. Wow. Not even fronting. This is good. I don't have frizz in my hair. I'm just kind of like shook right now. Okay, I have two more little pieces in this section, and then I'm gonna speed it up. Get those roots. Okay. Wow. It's straight. And again, I have to clip my ends, but man, that is straight. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the rest of this so you guys don't have to sit here through it. So let's speed it up. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I will be back. Okay, you guys, I am back. And as you can see, all of my hair is super, super straight. I just left it straight so you guys could see what I'm seeing. But look at this. Look at that. And I did clip my ends. So this right here is the business. It's still hot because I'm going to go in and put some curls up here, but I did want to show you guys how it looks straight. I'm so impressed, and that's real talk. So impressed with this. Again, this flat iron is by Duvolle. Like that. Beautiful design. Super sleek. I mean, it feels like velvet or something. It's so nice, and I think they have these in additional colors, so be sure to go on their website, enter code AbbeyRed70 to get 70% off your flat iron. So let's just go ahead and put a few little curls in this. I'm going to start with my bang, and I'm just going to add some slight curls, just like that. Slight curls, just so it won't be as straight over here on the side. And I mean, this thing gets your hair straight and curls like with one pass. It's nice. It's nice, real talk. I'm not just saying it. It's really nice. Just throwing few little curls up in here. I think I'm going to leave the back straight though. Yeah. And just bam. Let me get up here in the top. Actually, let me do this part again. That. I'm gonna curl this a little tighter. Look at that shine. Woo, baby. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Now that, my friends, that's cute, okay? That's cute. That's cute. I like this. Okay, so again, go to the website. I'm putting all the information down in the bottom bar. Click the link, choose your tool. Oh, you know what? They do have a bunch of different other tools, so make sure you check out those as well. But on this one, AbbeyRed70 to get 70% off, okay? All right, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you have one of these irons. Let me know if you liked the tutorial on how the iron works and the different features on the iron and how it looks on my textured hair. Yeah, so just drop me a comment and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thank you for watching. If you're a loyal chica of mine, drop me a comment and a thumbs up, okay? All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.